Hello all, welcome to the session 3. So in the session 3, we're going to concentrate on the Microsoft Teams app for your online teaching. So especially a Microsoft Teams app is being developed for the business and also to have the face-to-face communications with the customer. So usually this has led to the development of an complete video conferencing app so by the team of Microsoft. So especially your Microsoft team, has been started with this work recently, so 10 years ago, and nowadays, so this particular app has become very famous for online meeting and also for video conferences. So this particular app, Microsoft Teams app, is capable of holding up meetings of for 100 participants or 100 students and the duration of 50 minutes. So especially your Microsoft team plays a very important role in nowadays for online teaching. So now let us explore the features of your Microsoft Teams app, and we're going to have a hands-on session based upon the with the clearing your features. So first and foremost exciting feature of your Microsoft team includes instant calling. So this particular app will going to provide an instant video calling with the end party or with your students or participants. So instantly we can able to schedule the meeting, and the meeting link will be shared to your students or it can be shared to your participants, so that they can able to join the meeting instantly. Coming to the second feature, so this will provide us a togetherness mode. So that is nothing but this particular app will going to give the feel of face to face or a real time experience, so where we feel the togetherness together mode. So coming to the privacy and the security, so during the initial sign up process itself, it goes for a security and also the privacy informations, where the informations will be stored, and later on based upon that one you will be given with a personal ID and also the password to log into your meeting sessions. So the next feature is that file sharing. So this particular app is also helpful for sharing the files. You can able to share your audio files, video files, okay, so text files and also the PDF files during your classes. So coming to the next feature, so this Microsoft Teams provides us an accommodation of for 100 participants or 100 students per session. So this is up for a free version. Suppose if you go for a purchased version, so you can cross the 100 number, and at the same time even the meetings can also be extended meetings, so time duration can also be extended more than the 60 minutes. So coming to the controlling powers, the person who is hosting the meet have the complete authority or complete control to control the ongoing video conference. So your host he will be acting as an administrator, where he can able to control the entry of the students into the conference, or he can able to reject them, or he can able to put away from the conferences. So that is been provided, and at the same time the host is also having the authority to control the audio and also the video of an participants or students. So coming to the next feature, we have your screen sharing, okay, so where the host can able to share or a professor can able to share the screen in order to go for the presentation. The screen in the sense it can be PPTs, Word document or a PDF. Okay, the entire is a laptop screen or a mobile phone screen will be shared with the participants. And along with that one, we are also having an text box, where we can able to message, send an instance messages to the participants or the students, where the students can able to interact based upon the messages that have been received. So this is an app where we can able to feel the lively liveliness, so where we have the face-to-face interaction, and this face-to-face interaction will going to give a real-time experience by using this app. So what are the benefits of this app? So first and foremost, we can able to focus on a short term meetings. So that is, we can able to schedule the short meetings of a 50 minutes, okay, in a free version, and in case if you want to extend, you can go with a paid version. So this simplification of the work, so it will going to make the things more simple by using your Microsoft team. And at the same time, so this also provides an storage, sorry, we can also able to attach the documents, and also we can able to attach with the chats and also the channels. So suppose in case if you want to have the live sessions, so you can able to go for the live telecasting in the YouTube or the Facebook with this particular app. So that is also, that feature is also available once if you go with a paid version. So next, going with a share, we can able to share and also collaborate with the real time. So that is nothing but, so we can able to share the documents, and also we can have the real time experience while going with the online teaching. And this particular app is also having the benefits from the 365 apps. So that's the Microsoft developed apps can also be incorporated in the this particular video conference app. So these are the benefits of your Microsoft team, which can be explored for your online teaching. So then, where do we get this one? So usually we can get this particular app. You can get it downloaded from the Google Play Store, in case if you are using for the mobile phone, or in case if you are interested to install it on a desktop or a laptop, you can go with your Microsoft authorized website, where you can able to download your app. So then we'll move with your hands-on session. Let us see how to install Microsoft Teams app, and we're going to explore the features of this app in hands-on sessions. So we'll move on to the hands-on session. So now let us concentrate on downloading your Microsoft Team. So again, open up your browser. You can search for your Microsoft Team app for download. So you can download for a desktop or even on your mobile phone. So for the best of your mobile phones, you can use your Google Play Store, and in case if you want to install it on a desktop, you can make use of your desktop version of an app. So once if you select a link, so you can select your authorized link microsoft.com. so here you can able to get the software for your video conference. So once if you open up, so this is a window that can be observed. So here you can able to download your Microsoft Teams for Windows. So just click on the download. So once if you download, you're going to get a .exe file. Okay, so you can observe here .exe file. So once it is been downloaded, so then you can install on your system. If you install on your system, right, you're going to get an icon on your top of your screen. Okay, so similarly as you get in the mobile phone, even on the desktop or the laptop, you're going to get a screen like this. So once it is been done, open up your screen. Okay, so first and foremost, initially you need to make a sign up with your Microsoft team. So once if you're done with your signing up, so then later on after sign up, you're going to get a Microsoft meeting screen. Complete video conference scheme will be available. So just you can log in, okay, in this web browser, and in this we have the different features, and we're going to explore one by one. So first and foremost, so we have the activity. So activity is related to the previous meetings that has been held using your MS Team app. And next is your chat option. so where you can able to chat chat with your friends. Okay, and at the same time, if you want to invite the people, you can invite the people by selecting your invite people option. For example, if you want to invite your students for your class, either you can invite them by your personal contact number, or you can also invite them by sending a mail. So these two options are available with you people. Okay, so if you want to send a mail, so you can enter the your students mail address, and later on, so it can be invitation can be sent for your students. Okay, so similarly, if you want to send a link with the help of your contacts, even the contacts are also being used to send a link. So this is a second feature. And coming to your team, so if you come to your team, you can make a separate groups. Okay, for example, depending upon your students, you can make a section wise teams, and this will be giving a team creation. So you can create a team, and for that team you can go for the presenting your classes, and later on we have the meeting. Okay, so right now, if you want to schedule the meeting, right, so you can schedule the meeting, you can decide the date. For example, if you want to schedule the meeting on somewhere 20th, okay, so 20th, and you can select the timings. Timing somewhere around 10, okay, September. So 10 to 10:30, or you can take 1 hour. Okay, schedule. So it will be what it is an you can give an prior intimation of your scheduled class to your students. So you can copy the meeting invitation, okay, and you can send it to your students, or you can also share via your Google Calendar. Okay, so these two things are available in the meeting feature. So now we can able to go for your meeting. So now start your meeting right now. So in the meeting, you can able to observe. So you can able to observe the screen. Okay, so I'm going to turn off my video, and audio has been turned on. So in this case, so once if your students gets joined, okay, you can able to observe the students, okay, in the team, and later if you are able to observe, then you can start up with your classes, right? You can start up with your classes. So then at the same time, you can also share the screen also. So the sharing of your screen can be with respect to your notepad, okay, or you can also share your Wikipedias, you can also share your files, and so on. So you can able to share the screen also. And at the same time, so in this case, you have the another option which is called as an apps. So in this particular platform only, you can use a different apps, so that for example, if you want to make use of your whiteboard app, okay, if you want to make use of your YouTube, so all those things can be made using the app sector. So right now, okay, so this is a actual screen where you can able to get your major face-to-face interaction. So once if you're done with your meeting, so then you can go for the closing of your meeting. Okay, so these are the features that are available on your MS, that is a Microsoft video call conference meeting, which can be used as an online tool for your teaching with respect to your students. Okay.